Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you and help you to activate your new Metrobank credit card. So if you're a new user, you should download the Metrobank app, then sign up on the app with your new card. Next is go to your dashboard and tap on Activate Card. It would show if you are a new user. Then, after that, you should input your 6-digit passcode to confirm your activation. Next is if you're an existing Metrobank app users, then you should open the sidebar and then tap on My Accounts, then select Credit. After that is tap plus Enroll to add or enroll card. Then view your account details and tap Activate on the card image. And then lastly, input your 6-digit passcode to confirm activation. So you can also activate your new Metrobank credit card through SMS by following these steps. So you should have your credit card details ready and text this number right here, which is 225622, using this format, which is the act, then your number. So here's an example. So act, then your digit card number, and wait for the credit card activation confirmation message. So I think the SMS one is pretty easy. And you also have the hotline method. So for that, you should just call this number right here. Then use the self-service interactive voice response system or the IVRS to activate your card. Then wait for the credit card activation confirmation message. And that is all.